Flutter developers, hope doing fine. In this video tutorial we will show you how to add most commonly using icons in AppBar Flutter, which are highly recommended in today's application development. So let's start. First we will create a class of myAppName, then we create AppBar. Now we DD the icons necessary to add for AppBar development. So here we let you know how to add the highly demanding icons. So first we add search icon, then we add setting icon, then we add account icon, then menu icon, and at last we add home icon. So all these icons are the most demanding icons we are created here. So let's start with the creation of class. Now we create the AppBar, and after creating it, we created our desired title on it. We use the title of customizing buttons, and then we add the buttons. So we use the icon button widgets to add multiple icons in AppBar. After creating icon button widgets, we create the following icon buttons. You will add the icon buttons according to your project demand. Here we add the most highly using icons, which are search icon, settings icon, account icon, menu icon, and home icon. You will add accordingly to your demanding app features. We create the following icon buttons. You added the icon buttons according to your project demand. Here we add the most highly using icons, which are search icon, settings icon, account icon, menu icon, and home icon. You will add accordingly to your demanding app features. So here we created the most demanding icons to be added in AppBar using the Flutter Dart. Hope you enjoyed the video, and kindly share your suggestions in comment sections, which icon buttons you preferably like to be added in your AppBar. Send a like to the video, and do subscribe. Share the video if it find informative to you. Thank you. Have a very blessed day.